Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women caplet designs, different color designs ideas, different colors combination, same colors also in front of you for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive and also stylish, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman, caplet designs and others like crochet woman poncho designs, crochet woman scarf designs, crochet woman circular jacket designs, sweater designs, upper jacket designs, woman cap designs, baby cap designs, and baby frog designs, baby shoes designs, baby romper designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, leg warmers, neck warmers, crochet long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve dresses, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, crochet bodycon, crochet skirt designs, and many more things like crochet jewelry, like crochet woman necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.